Good morning. Today I want to introduce you to a new topic called conic sections, and we're going to be working with this unit over the next several weeks. So you might be thinking, what is a conic section? Well, as you can see here, it involves the intersection of a cone and a plane. And when the cone intersects the plane, depending on the angle of intersection, it's going to form different objects, okay? So if you look at this example here, you see that the plane looks like it's parallel to the ground. This will form a circle, and a circle is going to be the first type of conic section that we study. But other things can happen as well. So if we go to the next slide, if you see that the plane is intersecting the cone at an angle, you can see that we're no longer going to have a circle, we're going to have something called an ellipse. Okay, now if the plane intersects the parabola in a slightly different fashion here, we're going to form what's called a parabola. And you learned all about parabolas in Algebra 2, but in this course we're going to talk about parabolas as they relate to conic sections. So it's going to be an enhancement of the knowledge that you've learned. Okay, now here this kind of looks like a basketball court. If the plane intersects two cones, like let's say the plane is perpendicular to the ground, you're going to see that we have something called a hyperbola, and that's basically two parabolas. They are mirror images of each other. Okay, so just to summarize, we can have a parabola, a circle, an ellipse, or a hyperbola. Okay, here's another way to view it, right? If you look, you can see the four different types of conic sections that are possible when a plane intersects a cone. Okay, here's another way to look at it. All right, just some important facts. The conic section is formed by the intersection of a plane with a right circular cone. The kind of curve produced is determined by the angle at which the plane intersects the surface of the cone. So I encourage you to look through the PowerPoint and to watch through the slides and just kind of take another look at this. And in the next video, we are going to start by learning about circles. But before we go, I couldn't resist a little math joke. See if you can figure out what is the mathematician's favorite part of the newspaper. So pause to figure it out. Okay, are you ready for the answer? The conic section. All right, I will see you in the next video.